Hi friends, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see the OSPF class tutorial 2. This video we are going to see only intra area routes. Okay, the first class we saw that both area 0 and area 1, but this class I am going to remove that area 0 configuration, the area 1 configuration, and I am going to replace with area 0, and we are going to check how that route earlier it was learned with the inter area route, that is IA with OIA, that now we are going to replace with area 0, how it is getting learned in OSPF, how it will get injected in the IP route. That's what we are going to see. If you see that 2.2 segment, it is in IA. OIA means inter area route. Okay, that is mean it's learned from a different area. Okay, if it is O means it is a intra area, it is learned from same area. Okay, that is the difference between inter area and intra area. 110 is the administrative distance, 2 is the metric. Okay, we know that YSPF default administrative distance is 110 and metric is based on the YSPF cost. Okay, now we will just go to the YSPF configuration. I'm going to remove the area 1 configuration, going to replace with the area 0. Okay, if we go to the just 1.1.1, this last 24 I injected, I'm going to do the same thing. I'm removing with no network command and I'm going to inject into area 0. That is router YSPF1. YSPF is activated, no network. Just to remove that configuration, copy and paste. I just copy and paste it to remove the area 1 configuration. Okay. Then just I will advertise the same network into area 0. Yeah. Similarly, I will remove the other route. That is no network 11.11.11 area 1 and replace with area 0. Yeah. Now the YSPF area configuration is completed. Now just we will go to router 2 and you can see that how it is getting learned. Initially it with IA, now it will learn as a O. See, 11.11. Segment is learned as in intra area, right? 11.11. is learned with O, and 1.1.1 is learned with O, that is intra area routes. Okay. Now similarly, if you go and see that R1, still it was learning the 22 segment and 2.2.2.2/32 in a inter area. I'm just doing the configuration in the R2 router. Okay, same setup. How we did in R1. Say similarly remove the area 1 configuration and do it in inject the routes network into area 0. Okay, the area 0 is called a backbone area or border router. We have several router like ABR, ASBR that are we will see in future videos. Okay, that now we are going to see the only intra area and intra area routes. Okay, there is no extra areas are injected in this, only inter area. Intra area we configure in this. There will be some confusion like intra area and inter area. Simple notation: internet, we used to say internet, it is coming from outside. Intranet, it is inside the network. You can keep that naming convention for this OSPF. Inter means coming from other area, intra means coming from the own area. That's it. If you see that OIP route 22 is learning as a intra area. If you see that there is some bug in the packet tracer, even I didn't inject it into area 0, still it's showing as a learning as a intra area. I removed that network command, but still it's saying that. But real time, if you remove the network command, you won't learn the routes because the command is network is not really injected. Okay. But here it's fine. It's showing as a intra area. Okay. That's what we are looking for that. So now fine. Okay. Go to R2. So IP OSPF neighbor, that you can check that what is the state of that neighbor. Okay, and just I am removing and clear IP OSPF process and still I am giving that clear IP OSPF process command to reform that OSPF neighbor to check the routing. Okay, give yes, so it will reset the process. So it will go to down state and it will come up, but don't do it in the production environment. It will lose your connectivity if your OSPF neighborship is forming from remotely and it gets stuck up completely. It will go down and it will go to the server state and it will come up. Okay, so don't do this, execute this command in a production router, especially if the location is remote. Okay, what this is to relearn the route. Just I'm checking in the packet tracer that how that route after that 22.22.22 is learning. It's an intra area, no issue, everything is fine. Metric 2, distance 1110, how many minutes ago it's learned, all those details you can get it from this one. Okay, now we'll go to the router one. So SPF neighbor, if you see the two-way DR other, right, because it's clear OSPF neighbor, so it is forming from one state to other state, right? The two-way exert exchange and it will come into full state, right? These are the states it will go into nays. So extract state, it came into extract, yeah, then it will go to loading full. Yeah, extract exchange, then it's full. Yeah, if you give so IP OSPF database, you can see there is a three routes learned from area 0. It is LSA1, another one is LSA2. LSA1, LSA2, we have 11 type of LSA. The 7 will be used. So we will see all that in detail in class. This class is just to show you the demo how the intra area is working, and this OSPF database is nothing but a topology table. You can check what is advertising route, what is the link ID, and how many links are injected into the OSPF with single area. Those all those information we will get with SOIP OSPF database command. Okay, I hope you enjoy this video. Okay, thanks for watching the full video. Okay, there is some bugs in the packet tracer. If you, because I just removed the area one, if you check immediately it will show the area one LSA types and all. Those are bugs. So after sometimes you reopen the packet tracer and if you execute the command so IPOSPF database, the area one will be not displayed in this. So that is the bug that going forward we will see some advanced level video in a GNS3. Thanks for watching the full video. Please post your comment on this below video. Thanks for watching. Bye. See you in the next video.